Danny Myers here with Lighthouse Video Surveillance, and this is a really short video on how to change the schedule for your rule. What we're going to do is we're going to just make this quick and easy. I'm going to right click on the site and go to Setup, and then I'm going to go to Rules. Now the rule that we're wanting to take a look at today is this proactive video alarm, and once you selected it you can hit Edit or Delete. In this case we can hit Edit. We just want to change the schedule for it, and I'm going to ask that you just kind of ignore these windows because this has to do with setting up the rule. And that's all covered on another video. So let's just hit the next button, hit next, hit next. So 3 times. That takes us to the 4th page. If you notice the top here, it says Rule Properties. This is where the rule name is, the rule description, and then the schedule. So if you were to click on this right here, let's say you had a different schedule you wanted to apply to this site, you could. We can just select that if you want it to always be on or something. In this case, we want to take a look at the Edit Schedule. Click on Edit. And what we're looking at, here's the name. And then if you notice over here on the left-hand side, this is the reoccurrences. So we want it to be reoccurring. We've set this one up here to be Monday through Saturday PM and not Friday. Now, the reason why is they have a different schedule for Friday evenings. This one starts at 6 p.m. at night and it goes to 12 midnight basically. Okay, so we have it 6 to 11:59. The start date, you just want to go ahead and put this at, if you want to start immediately, put the closest date. And then we have the reoccurrence pattern down here. So if we want this to run each one of these days weekly, then it'll do that. So we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We've skipped Friday, and we have Saturday. So every day of this week except for Friday, this will always be running. Now notice we have our AM. I'm going to click on that. So Monday through Saturday, AM. This is going to be 12 o'clock midnight to 5 a.m. in the morning. So whenever you add these two together, the Monday through Saturday PM and the Monday through Saturday AM, add those together, it comes out to be 6 p.m. at night is whenever the alarm will become active, going through 5 a.m. in the morning. And that's for each one of those days. Now, Friday's a little bit different. Let's take a look at that. Friday, notice that time, it starts at 9 p.m. to 12 o'clock. So that this particular customer, what they needed is they needed some time for their cleaning crew to get their work done after they close, but before 9 o'clock. So they have a 3-hour window to get their work done, and then this alarm will go active. So that's those days. And then we have Sunday is a different schedule. That one's basically all day, but we already have the other times covered. The AM is covered up to 5 a.m. from 12 a.m. to 5. If you remember here, 12 a.m. to 5, and that's every single day of the week. Okay. So then this just covers the rest of that schedule. And if you needed to make any modifications for any other days, you could always come in here. Let's say the PM. Let's say they needed another day for their cleaning crew. They could select, say, Wednesday or Tuesday. Uncheck this one here, and then add it to the Friday. And we could actually change the name of this here to Friday and Tuesdays. So that's it. Just short and quick here on how to make changes to your schedule for your rules in Avigilon Access Control Center. ACC 6 is the nickname for that. This is Danny Myers with Lighthouse Video Surveillance signing off.